Fudchannel. Today we are going to see how to make groundnut balls. It's very simple and easy to make at home. We all know the groundnuts are very healthy and it's also an excellent plant-based source of protein. So come on, let's see how to make this. For this I have taken 250 grams of groundnuts, dry roast it and remove the skin, and 250 grams of jaggery. Transfer the groundnuts into a mixie jar. We are going to grind this. Don't grind it a lot, otherwise it will start oozing out oil. So take it and keep it separately, and then put in the jaggery, and you are going to grind that also. If you have fine powdered jaggery, then you don't have to grind it. Just mix both together and we are going to make it into balls. Groundnut powder and jaggery powder both are ready. We are going to mix it both together. Mix it all nicely. The mixture is all mixed well. So we are going to make it into balls now. Just take a little in your hand and give it a nice squeeze. Make it into small tiny balls or whatever size is required. See, now our groundnut ball is ready. In the same way you can make the remaining balls also. So now our groundnut balls are ready. Very simple and easy to make at home. So please try this and leave your comments below, and do not forget to share and subscribe to Fudchannel. Thank you.